wasn't strong enough.
Jack. It's not about being strong. I mean, look, I don't know what you saw over there. I don't know what you went through. I know it was bad. But I also know that you came out the other side. Because you are strong. But even when we're strong, man, things are gonna happen. We're gonna make mistakes. Nobody's perfect, right? But we can get better. Every day we can get better. So whatever you're dealing with, you know, whatever comes at us, we'll figure out a way to deal with it together. Your family, kid. And we look after our own.